Hello, this is Jessica Lynn of JessicaLynnOriginal.com. Today we are going to go ahead and make a card featuring an upcoming rubber stamp set, and this one is called Jessie and Chester. I'm going to talk a little bit about this set very soon, so be sure to watch. So this truly is a preview of what's coming. This adorable 4x4 set is available for pre-order. I will put the link down below if you're interested. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and color in the ferret. Now that I've got everything colored in, I'm going to go ahead and put it on my brother's scan and cut, and I'm going to go ahead and have it actually cut out the items for me. Now, one of the things that I've learned about my brother's scan and cut is that the mat gets unsticky very, very quickly. So with that being said, one of the things I started doing was using some of this little sticky tape, and I just tape them on, and then they don't move. And I don't have to worry about them shifting all over the place, and it works really, really well. So let's go ahead. I'm going to scan them first. Once I have them scanned in, I'll go ahead and decide my cut lines, and then I'm going to go ahead and actually cut out these adorable pieces. Just a small tip, when you're going to use that little sticky tape, just make sure you don't pick tape with a design on it like I have, because my brother Scan and Cut kept thinking that it was part of the design, so it wanted to cut that out as well. Now that I've got everything cut out, I get to do the fun part. I get to go ahead and create my card. Now I want to just take a second and apologize. I'm at the end of a sinus infection, so if my voice sounds funny, I apologize. Hopefully it'll be back soon. I absolutely love me a gray and white stripe. I'm obsessed with it. So what I wanted to do was kind of make it like he was a little robber. I always think of like The Sims. I don't know if you guys ever played The Sims, but there was always like a little robber that would come and steal stuff from your house. And so I thought, you know what, I'm going to make my ferret look like that, because one of the phrases or the sentiments that's included says, yes, I'm a ferret, and I love to steal things. Like your heart. So that's the sentiment I'm going to use. So I was trying to make it kind of have like little prison bar jail kind of thing going on. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the background. And then what I thought would be really cute was to layer that up with like a solid black rectangle, just a little bit smaller so I could still see the stripe edges. So let's go ahead and do that. And yes, I will admit I do have a glue problem. I use a lot of, I'm heavy glue handed, I guess. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to line up my little ferret. And what I want to do is put a bunch of the little money bags that I cut out and put those around him. I thought it would look really cute with like this little three-dimensional money bag scene going on. So let's go ahead and line all those up. And the thing is, I'm going to play around with it a little bit, because there's no right or wrong. So that's why I kind of put the ferret on there, just trying to get a good idea of where he's going to sit. And let me just get that all lined up. And I want some of the little money bags actually glued down, and then I'm actually going to put a couple of them up on foam risers, because I do like to kind of get that three-dimensional look. I think 3 little money bags behind him looks really cute. Again, you can make a whole page of money bags. You don't even have to include a ferret on the card if you didn't want to. But first off, I'm going to put the ferret down, so we're going to glue him right on. And my initial instinct was to put him on a foam riser, but then I thought, you know, I think it would be better to have the little money bags kind of pop up. Now, right now, he's just a sneaky ferret. I will put a little mask on him, and that is one of the stamps that's included. All I did with that was just color in the little mask black, and then I just hand cut, fussy cut with a pair of really sharp scissors. Look, there they are. Aren't those so cute? Oh my goodness, it looks so cute. And you can make him like a ferret superhero and put a cape on him, or anything would need a mask. So it's kind of fun. I'm really excited to see what everyone does when they create their little ferret, their little superhero mask. You could make it little goggles like he's a motorcycle biker little ferret. Now, when I put all that glue on there, it made like a weird spider web of glue, so I had to kind of pick that off. So let me just do that real quick. And then I'm going to go ahead, there we go, and let's put that on there. Oh, look at how cute he looks with his little mask. Oh my goodness, I'm in love with that little mask. Okay, so there we go, got that little glue gummies on there. Alright, there we go. So now I'm going to get my foam risers out, and I'm going to put the other 2 money bags right in front of them and give it that really cool 3-dimensional look. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Oh my goodness, this is really starting to kind of look like one of the ferrets I had. My ferrets, I don't know if anybody, if you've ever had ferrets before. They are the cutest little things. They are constantly stealing things from around your house. So if you have little stuffed animals or jewelry or shiny trinkets, they absolutely love to steal them. I kid you not. We would find little piles that the ferrets made all over the house of little collected treasures. It was a lot of fun. So again, there's my sentiment. Yes, I'm a ferret and I love to steal things, just like your heart. So I'm going to go ahead and just put that up on top. Now, at first I thought maybe I put it at an angle. Then I thought, no, there's a lot going on, so I'm just going to put it on there just nice and straight. I already cut it out with a kind of a circular bubble edge. So I'm going to go ahead and just glue that down. Boom. Now, I definitely think maybe this could need some of those sequins or something like a lot of people do. But I'm actually really, really happy with it. I think the ferret looks so cute. I like that there's a lot of dimension to the card, even though it's very simplistic. Again, this set is going to be available down below for pre-sale. We'll have the launch date up below as well. And I just wanted to take a quick moment and thank you so much for watching our videos, subscribing to our channel. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe today. We'd love to have you follow along with our adventures. We do launch all of our upcoming stamps here on our YouTube channel, and then they make it to our Facebook and to our Twitter. So I'm going to go ahead and put up that subscribe icon with little Brentwood. So I'm going to pop him up if you like that. Go ahead and subscribe. And then I'm going to pop up 2 more videos for you. Thank you again, and I hope that you have a great day.